started.
Okay. All right, so we're gonna learn to tell time. Do you know how you ask what time it is? Anyone? Okay. To ask what time it is, you say, ¿Qué hora es? That's the question. ¿Qué hora es? And remember the H in hora is silent, so you never say hora, you say hora. ¿Qué hora es? And then to answer, what did we just learn in the slideshow? How do you say the answer?
Son las.
Yes, you use son, las, and then you say the time. Now you can say de la mañana if it's in the morning. And if it's in the afternoon or evening, you can say de la tarde. De la tarde is usually till like 6 p.m. And then de la noche if it's night. So which one would be a.m.? De la mañana, exactly. So de la mañana would be a.m. And de la tarde or de la noche would be what? p.m. All right. So we're going to practice whole numbers first. I want you to do this at home. You can draw a clock on a piece of paper or something, and then I'm going to tell you the time, and you're going to draw it on the clock. So, Javier, do you think you can hold the phone with the other hand so you can make your, yeah. All right. Number 1, son las 10 de la mañana. Show me on the clock, las 10 de la mañana. So, las 10 de la mañana would be, the short one would go to 10, and the long one would go to 12, which means o'clock. And then de la mañana would be a.m. or p.m.?
AM.
Okay, one more. Son las 5 de la tarde. Las 5 de la tarde. Yes, it's 5. Las 5 what? p.m. or a.m.?
PM.
p.m. Yes. Okay. So if that's easy, right? If I want to know what time it is, if it's an exact hour. What if it's like half hour past that? So if I wanted to say 5:30, so it would be 5, and then 30 is on the 6th. To say 30, we could say the number 5:30. Let me take this off so you can see. Or you can say y media. Media is like half. Because see how this is like half of the circle? If I made it right. So it would be son las 5:30. And then I would put de la tarde. Now show me on your clocks. Son las 2:30. Las 2:30 de la mañana. Yes, 2:30. All right, so you know y media. That means half. Media is half. Media also means song in Costa Rica, but we're not going to worry about that. Now, if it's like 5:10 or 2:10, I would say las 2:10. What's 10? Yes, so I would just say las 2:10. What if it's 5:40? Las 5:40. What's 40? 40. Yes, so most of them you can just say the number, but for now we're going to learn y media. Now, the other thing we're going to learn is 15. 15 minutes. So instead of saying 3:15, we could say las 3:15, but we could also say las 3:15. Cuarto is a quarter. So this would be un cuarto. So if it's 3:15, we would say las 3:15. Okay. Now, if you don't need to make we don't need to make a clock like this either. We could just write digital time, which is probably what you guys are used to more. So can you write on make a digital little clock and make son las 6:40? cuarto. It would be 6 what? Maya, what's 6 y cuarto? 6 y cuarto, what would it be?
04?
No, cuarto is a quarter, remember?
Oh, 20, no,
15, yes, las 6 y cuarto. Okay, I'm gonna give you 5 more times, and you have to write down what the time is, okay? Okay, thank you, Javier. I'm gonna hold it now so you can write. Okay, so go ahead and copy for number 1, number 2, and number 3. Tell me what those times are. Maya, what is son las 3 de la mañana?
3 o'clock.
Wait, 3 o'clock a.m. or p.m.?
AM.
Yes. So las 3 de la mañana is 3 a.m. Okay. Javier, what about son las 10:30 de la noche?
It's 10 p.m.
10?
It's
Y
10
media?
in the afternoon.
But what if I say 10:30?
10:30.
10:30, yes. So 10:30 is 10:30 p.m. And what about Naya? Son las 11:15 de la mañana.
11:15 again.
Yes. So it would be 11:15 a.m. Okay, you're gonna have a separate, people at home, you're gonna have a separate practice sheet to complete for your time. Remember, de la mañana, de la tarde, o de la noche. One more thing I have to tell you. If it's 1 o'clock, since 1 is only 1, I wouldn't say son las, because son is like they are for a bunch of hours. If it was 1 o'clock, I would say es la. So es la una, or es la 1:30, and that would be 1 o'clock. So if I want to say it's 1 p.m., I would say es la 1 de la tarde, mañana o noche? PM?
Noche. No.
Is 1 p.m. At night?
Tarde.
It's in the afternoon, so it would be the tarde, yes.
He said
Tarde.